What's up guys, it's Steve, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to run you through a quick V60 technique that I like to do, grinding a Ethiopian from Triple Co-Roast based out in Bristol. So let's get on with it. Right, so first things first, I'm going to be doing a 20 grams sort of in through the niche zero, and then out I'm going to do 320. So we're going to have a 16:1 today. So like I just showed you, we've got the Triple Co roast, tasting notes of apple, milk chocolate, butterscotch and stone fruit. So fresh bag, tear that open. Really nice packaging on these actually. It's very cool with a coffee roaster picture. You got a kettle, gooseneck kettle up there. So yeah, really cool packaging. So let's go in 20 grams. Too much as usual. Bang on, 20. So what I'm just going to do now is I'm just going to go and add a little drop of water to these, the Ross dropper technique. So just to add a little bit of water to them, just to help with the chaff, I guess, if that's what we're calling it, I think. So I'm grinding on a niche zero, grinding at setting 40, but obviously depending on how you calibrated this grinder, if you own the niche zero, that'd be dependent on 40s are the same. But it's a not too coarse, but not too fine. I do most of the pour overs around the 40 mark. So let's see how long it takes to grind. Right, so without even giving the lid some taps or a knocks, we put 20 in and out, we've got bang on 20. Now these are only £15 scales from Amazon, so let's not take the accuracy to heart, but that is the sort of grind we're looking at. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. That is the sort of consistency we're looking at within the cup. So I've already got my V60 ceramic, red V60. I've already put in a filter paper and rinsed it out. So let's put on there. So in go the 20 grams. Don't know if you just heard the beep of the kettle there. Gooseneck kettle set to 93 degrees. You'll notice it's not the same kettle as I used, well, the same kettle I own at my house, the Time More Smart. This is the Brewista Smart, in every way inferior, but I'm at my partner's house for Christmas, so this is a kettle I've got. I'll link up the review I did on the Time More. Much better kettle than this, but it's still not that bad. So we'll start with the bloom. We'll do 50 grams. So let's put that in, start the timer. There's 50 grams. We'll give that a little quick swill just to make sure all the grounds are wet. Leave that for 30 seconds and then we'll start to pour. Now, every time I do a V60, it varies slightly. I'm not 100% accurate. To be honest, I can't be bothered. So I vary it a bit every time, but we're going to go for a bit of a James Hoffman / Scott Rayo technique. So we're going to pour, going to go all the way up, nice and slowly though, but all the way up. We're going to go to 210. So 210 grams of water. There we go. Like I say, I'm not that accurate because that's 216. But what I'll do is I'll let that drip sort of halfway down. And then when it drips halfway, we will then go to the final 320 and let that drip out. And hopefully it will be around sort of the 3-minute-ish mark is what I'm looking for. But it could be a little bit slower this time because we're already at 1 minute 45. So that's about halfway through. So let's just follow that up now. I'll just go around the edges with some of the coffee that's sat at the top. So we just get that, put that back into the mix. And we'll continue the pour. You want to keep the kettle, or get the kettle as high as you can without it splashing, is the idea. So there's 320. So here we go, we're just about all the way through. We're at 3 minutes and 20 seconds coming up for. And I think we're just about going to get all that coffee out. So if I stop it now. So 326. And as you can see, the bed is flat-ish. And through. So let me just dump that out. And there we have it. Nice V60. And I'll pour it into my lovely cornflour mug. How hard can we go? Oh, not bad. Don't want to spill it everywhere though. And there you have it. So there you have it, guys. There's my quick and easy V60 technique. Feel free to give it a go at home. Let me know what you think of it. Any improvements I could make, that'd be greatly appreciated. Put them down in the comments for me. I'll reply to every comment I can, if I get any. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that stuff, it'd be greatly appreciated. And hopefully brew a nice cup today, and I'll catch you in the next one. It's really good, that.